finally hit 100k. Now, the big question is, what next? I just find the data which show that a 150,000 BTC is coming. It's time to buckle up. I will share the reason why BTC will hit 150k in 2025 and take the entirely altcoin market with it. The data points I will share in this video will be categorized in 4 factors: time base, data, microdata, demand sides, and on-chain data. Firstly, let's take a look at where we are in this cycle from the time base. BTC price action is in closely following the past cycle. We just entered the most exclusive phase of this cycle where price accelerates the fastest. Every past cycle, BTC has entered the red zone on the power law probability mode. If we do so again this cycle, this would represent a 196k dollar of BTC. Now let's look at some micro factors that are setting up the micro environment for further BTC upsides. Micro conditions are as favorable as they have been since 2021, and BTC is highly responsive to economic policy and global liquidity. BTC is a pure micro asset, and every cycle it becoming increasing so. The past 4-year cycle and post-halving dynamic are more so an additional increasing growth. Rate cuts are expected to continue throughout 2025, further increase a strong micro backdrop for risk assets. So the micro backdrop looks good, but what about the demand side factor affecting appetite for BTC? Micro strategic keeping buying with line with their 21/21 plan. 29.3 billion left to target 21% of BTC supply. This impact the demand side for BTC in 2 ways. One, add consistent and aggressive buying pressure from MicroStrategy himself. 2, attract speculative capital to flood into this place as people front run the future buy pressure. MicroStrategy MXTR bought 149,880 BTC in 32 days since announced their plans to buy 21% of BTC supply. Most of it has been from their ATM offering named Share, with just 3 billion being in convertible note new debt. They still have 29.3 billion left from their 21% plan. US spot ETF is now owed 1.1 million plus Ethereum, surpassing Satoshi. This adds continuous buy pressure. It's extremely powerful. The big difference between this cycle versus past BTC cycle is now you have a huge demand from BTC via the ETF versus exchange, and those ETC don't suffer from unit buyers. The 30 days demand change from retail investor has just reached the highest level since 2020 as retail investor appear increasingly interested in BTC. Fresh capital is fueling BTC current price move at 102k. BTC is far from a bubble and it will need a 40% surge to hit the threshold of often considered a bubble. Even a 100k BTC price taking is lowering, giving a sign of cool down in sell pressure. Right now, we have many aligning factors which predict well for continuous upside for BTC, and of course, a 150k plus BTC will be a greater altcoin rally. Will be great for altcoin overall, more liquidity, bigger pump. I hope you find video helpful. If you find value in this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and I'll be happy to interact with you guys. See you on the next video.